out. Good cricket, boys.
Some bit of school. I think it's Atta.
Oh yeah,
Bowling,
yeah man, that's
bowling,
the line,
yeah.
man. That is a line.
That's an unreal ball.
So sorry I didn't get a chance to do a video. So once you get here, there's a shutter there. Come through the shutter on your right, go right, and go right up the stairs. And there's a couple of doors. You'll find another set of stairs. Go up them.
Bowling and played.
Happened there.
Alright.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Yeah.
When I kept low, I just hit the seam away.
Yeah, it's even good.
Off the seam, and it was
Ball seam, isn't it?
falling.
Yeah,
Right,
that bubble seam. You see the seam and it's gone.
Oh, man.
I thought no back last anyway. It's all me and you. We're low today. We're low on street.
I'm slightly shorter.
That's alright. We're low on street today. Jewel quarter. Working. That's what we've got 3 minutes.
Very good ball again. Excellent. Anil, there's nothing wrong with that.
Hashim, at least you're not fishing.
Try not anything.
Try that.
Not fishing though, he's just playing the straight, the line.
Easy put away. Good.
You need to finish your actions. You know when you bowl, keep running towards the net. Don't stop. You lose momentum. That's why you're dropping a big shoot. This one, yeah. You don't have to be bowling. Think about running through. There's a thing about running towards that.
Yeah, because the one game I watched him bat, he's fishing.
Yeah.
Then today he's just playing the line with you.
Yeah. I'm not gonna bowl him, but bowl him.
Excellent. Lovely.
Yeah, follow through him.
Yeah, he's not. You know, you don't follow through. He's too short. You just lose him.
And you do more damage to your knees. You don't stop.
Oh, shot.
Through, takes a bit of pressure off your leg after.
Hashim, really good, you know. Very good. Yeah, watchful.
Right.
Moving straight back.
Hang on. Miss him, man.
Well, he's been looking good.
He's back good recently. Sundays he's making run.
Yeah. He played that Sunday,
Yeah.
he scored 53 or 63.
And even Parky, he's making runs.
I didn't
See that? Better you get more swing as well.
I didn't look at party this year.
One day's enough swing.
Well done,
I've played
yeah.
some Sundays with almost flat.
Keep working hard. Let him make the mistake.
It's a ball, you ain't got to bowl that wicked ball every ball.
Nice, Hashim, nice.
Keep it in the same areas.
Straight back, excellent.
Mistake or something. That's all you can do. You can't. I won't get a wicket every ball.
Keep bowling better than that. Get more swing, getting up the shot. Bad shot, Hashim, man.
Leave it alone.
Hey, wicket is a wicket, my friend. Wicket is a
Straight
wicket.
away.
Doesn't matter how they come.
Straight away.
Good, tell him. He'll listen to you.
I think he'll go wide and he just flishes the fish to see.
That's probably one of the worst balls to bowl him, and he got it.
Yeah.
And then you're doing good against the good balls, man.
He looks solid all day. Ball him out. Ball's probably going to go wide.
Oh, bit of bounce.
He's just got nicked it
The
out.
point wasn't wide. It wouldn't have been wide, but
Nah, but
you should have been.
nah, he should
Where you played?
step across to you. Wham me.
It's a bit lazy.
Just walk the back there.
Excellent.
Good cricket.
Yeah.
Makes a big difference. man.
Very good, very good.
If you just stop there, everything stops.
Yeah.
You drag it and
You got to follow through.
makes a big difference. The nice length is much.
Yeah.
Excellent, Mum. Yusuf. Brilliant, mate. Yeah. Bold and play. Good balance.
Good shot.
Yeah, good front foot weight transfer, more positive batting. That's what your uncle wanted from you, man. Connect, because you can connect, you got a base. You're responsible for it, use it. well. Yes, good. Don't be afraid, that's alright, it's good. Oh. Good, Hashim. That's it. Just keep building. You're building innings, don't you? You can't just go in racy, can you? So now the aim is to bat with the building in process, looking for ones, twos, and so on.
Then you're following through. You feel better.
Good, good, good. Hey,
it's looking
that-
back.
could you not put it-
Who's going next then?
Who's going next? Worst case scenario, I've been so glad that so many times. I've learned now what shots to play and what not. I think because Gussie, remember Gussie the youngster, he's playing sweet shots to ride that length. Yeah, you can do that. Yeah? Or come forward. I think because you're a driver, come forward to me on the next one. Next one, Marvin Yusuf, next one. Think of head position and left leg. That's all. Remember what we learned yesterday? Yeah, because it's quite the basic, really. And then when you implement those, you don't need to worry about one-to-one coaching, really, here. It's about you implementing what I taught you. Yeah?
Because the ball was ready in my hand.
Bowling! Excellent cricket, boys. I'm here. You look in flow. The season's ended. Took you 3 months to get firing. He's laughing as like, you know what, might be true.
Oh, wait for the season finish.
Oh, whoa, just a bit early, Hashim.
Right.
But the right idea to look to go through it and to it and through it. I like the idea to it and through it, Hashim. So you know you've got to just figure out your timings there. Yeah? You're your own technician.
You fell over this. Think wood back. The thing in your head.
Oh, wow, great change of pace.
That's a lady shot.
I think he
right through the
had
right
the ball a little bit quicker in his feet, forgot to move. Look
I think
quicker,
he's right.
something was changed. It's the same ball.
Yeah, same.
His lazy feet. I need to move my feet today.
Come a little bit more.
I need to play that innings, Abdullah. 130 and more.
Because if you want our...
If you play the innings, yeah, don't even bother coming here. I don't want to see you here. Oh, nice play, brilliant. That is a superb comeback.
Yeah, that is the bounce back, isn't it?
Ash, did you see that innings?
Hey.
137 balls for 0.
Yeah. I like bowl and play. Hashim, you're a wall. The great wall of Hashim. Brilliant, mate. Look at his body language, he's so chilled out. My man's so chilled out.
Go on, yeah.
Bowling and good check. Excellent checking.
You wanna
Yeah, check the
exercise
line.
minutes to-
Even with the movement. Great weighting on the pitch of the ball.
Come to bat.
Ball, Kevin. On the ground, man. Yes! Good transfer!
Shot.
Yeah, you're building an innings son at your own pace. I'm going to get off your case now, mate. That was brilliant, son.
What? Going by the box. On the chair. Yeah. Yeah, please.
Yes, but you're just backing away. I have that problem. I'll go that way instead of that way. This next time you can't, but you go in, isn't it? Yeah? So just make sure the weight is on your toes, son. Well, ball and play, good. Good maturity from both of you youngsters, excellent. Excellent, Marvin Yusuf. Love that kid. Bowling, Kev.
Nice.
Wow.
Very nice.
Good respect, Hashim. Hold it longer and wear Kevin down just with your defence. Yeah, look up. Give him the stare. Sorry, boy.
There's one on the money.
That was beautiful. Bowling. Good respect, Hashim. Good shape.
Ash on the grass wicket as well. Couldn't we?
I'll bet, yeah. I've been thinking it's about leaving you on a grass wicket, Kevin.
Oh.
Yes, Hashim!
That's a shot.
Yes! And it's that one step.
Straight
below.
for screens as well. Thing is up. With that shot. You could hit midfield, straight to midfield. You know what I mean? No covering, straight. It could be, but if you dissect them, it's gone.
They felt good, didn't it? You were dancing, son.
The only way, oh, we've got sweep out, but it looks, I'll take 4. Keep picking.
Bowling and one left. That's all right. Keep working.
Good swing.
That's it. It's the ingredients. You just got to try and bring all the ingredients
through.
together.
Ash in the throat there.
It's all. Is there?
Oh, he's behind you, he's behind you.
He's still looking. Communication, boys.
How did they end up in the same spot?
Bowling, smart,
Very good,
Kevin,
very good.
smart. Smart,
Kevin,
really smart.
Okay, take your time.
Excellent, Kev. It's really, really good kid.
I think he's rubbing him change. Oh! Height. The run didn't even change, he was the release.
Yeah, because you're in rhythm. That's home ground advantage, isn't it? I think we all wish we could take this piece of love with us. You're the one who's the page in the kids.
Huh?
Nice slow ball.
Don't mind that.
The shot was.
Because you
You're a slow ball is hard to play though, you know that.
Yeah. Because you're expecting the ball to bowl the same ball.
Come to the bat nicely.
Yeah. Then we go, oh.
Slow when you, especially if you are a little bit out of balance.
Yeah.
When the ball is released, you can play the ball.
Tight line, great follow through, head position.
Oh, yeah, it's a slow one, it
Excellent
is.
science, Mohammed Yusuf, excellent science. Really good. Bowling!
Nice bowling,
Good
nice
respect.
bowling,
Patience,
well
Hashim. Patience, great patience. Kev, same for you, great patience, mate. We're on this season, eh? Waited, good respect. Bowling, Abdullah. The weighting level's good there, eh? The shot, the shot. But spinners make men go crazy. They do dumb things to spinners, isn't it? Yes, Hashim!
Good shot.
Excellent, Hashim. More weight went through it that time, didn't it?
1 minute.
Yeah, really good. Keep trying to put more weight through it. Yeah, because there's a tiny bit of backing off.
You'll go.
Alright, take it. More.
Got me as well, Ash.
Oh, careful.
Pretty cool. Stop fishing, Hashim.
Okay, last one. Well done, Kev.
Bowling.
And that bat just as good though.
You finish on the. You go the last one, right?
Solid.
One more.
Last one.
Wait, I'll get that ball.
One more.
Get it set. Yeah. I think you got one more. Set it. All right.
Good, good, good.